In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in a Microsoft Outlook email. Whether you're looking to emphasize an important point in your message or simply add some flair to your communication, highlighting text can be a great way to make your email stand out. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to go to the Microsoft Outlook webpage, where you can access all your email features. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to input your login details. Make sure to carefully enter your email address and password, then click Next to proceed. This will take you to your Outlook dashboard, which serves as the main hub for managing your emails. Now that you're on the Outlook dashboard, look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the option to create a new email. Click on New Mail to open a blank email composition window. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an empty canvas for crafting your message. Start by writing the content of your email. It could be a simple greeting, a detailed update, or anything you need to communicate. Once you've composed your message and you're thinking about which parts you'd like to emphasize, it's time to highlight the text. Choose any word or phrase you wish to stand out in your email. The beauty of Outlook is that it provides you with two convenient methods to apply highlighting. For the first method, simply double-click on the word you wish to highlight. You'll notice that an edit menu will pop up right there on the screen. This menu offers several formatting options, but for our purpose, you'll want to look for the highlight icon. It usually appears as a marker or pen symbol, so it's easy to spot. Click on that icon and voila, your text is now highlighted. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, you can also navigate to the Message tab located at the top portion of the window. This tab contains a variety of options for modifying your email's appearance. Within this tab, find and click on the highlight icon just as you did before. This will apply the highlighting effect to your chosen text. And there you have it. Highlighting text in your Microsoft Outlook email is both a simple and effective way to draw attention to key parts of your message. Remember, this little touch can make a big difference in how your email is perceived by the recipient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you to harness the full power of Outlook's email customization features.